The Watermark, where luxury and comfort come together from the moment you walk through the doors. The elegant lobby sets the tone for a lifestyle where every detail is designed with you in mind. The community room is perfect for hosting events. There's an outdoor and indoor pool, and after a long day, treat yourself to the ultimate relaxation in the sauna. And there's a fully equipped gym. Look, that's me. Fire up the grill in the beautiful barbecue area and challenge your neighbor to a competitive game of ping pong. Now let's step inside your new home. The gourmet kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances with a ton of open living space and stunning views of New York City. Your primary bedroom is more than a place to sleep. It is your personal retreat with spot-like bathroom. At the Watermark, life is all about the details that make every day a little more special.